Hey everyone, this is Jibril for SPX Ninja. I hope everyone had a great Easter weekend, and let's get into our analysis of the S&P 500 futures as we did in the previous video. In this one, I will try to finesse the correction a little bit more so we can see what the next few days to weeks have in store for us. As you recall from the last video, we said that we have just completed a pretty major wave 3 in January, and since February we've entered a wave 4 correction. Wave 4s are notoriously choppy, and this one is certainly living up to that name. Now what I've done here is drawn a series of ABCs for the correction, and currently I think we are in the final C wave of this correction. On the previous video I mentioned that my target would be 2530, which is the panic low of February, and 2480, which was a major decent resistance on the way out. So let's get into it. Let me drill down to the 2-hourly chart to get a better look at what's going on here. Alright, so we are again progressing on this final wave C, and let's see what this progression looks like. So we did have 1, 2, 3, which ended last week Monday, and then a fourth wave up, and following we should have a wave 5 to progress now, which is itself a 5-wave progression. So let's look at what we've got so far. There was a wave 1 last week, then a bounce back into a wave 2, and now this wave, the ending of this wave 3 and this lower degree wave 1 have formed somewhat of a bear flag, which I was certainly on the lookout for today. In our day trading chat room, I called out 2608 will be a very important number, because that's where this flag was at today, and if it gives out, we should see that selling accelerate, which is exactly how it played out. So the bear flag broke, and we are now progressing in this wave 3 of wave 5 of wave C. I don't want to again bog down people with too many of these different degrees and waves, but the bottom line is we are headed, as planned before, into the last leg, hopefully, of this correction. And once we've touched 2480, or maybe even before at the 2530 level, somewhere around this level we should get a pretty major bottom, which will be the end of wave 4. And then going back to the daily here, we can see that the expectation is that our bull market will continue towards that 3200 level. Alright, that's all that I have for today. Looks like the roadmap is being followed as we've planned out, and I will catch up with you folks next time. Take care.